Rounding a video's corners in CapCut couldn't actually be easier. It is so simple. Welcome back to a new video. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. Let's jump in. We're in CapCut desktop. All I have is my footage dragged onto my timeline. I'm going to click on my clip, go to mask. So you'll generally be on basic. You'll go to mask and apply your rectangle mask. Over here, we have the option to increase or decrease its size if you grab one of the corners. And then in the top left corner, you have this kind of triangular icon. All you're going to do is drag that away or towards your clip. If we drag it just a little bit away, you can see my borders or corners have been rounded. What's great as well is we have this option to feather out a little bit. If you don't like that, you know, how sharp it is, we can feather out. The same exact process applies for a vertical clip. Go ahead and drag that rectangle mask onto it. I'm going to keep this at full size and drag it just a little bit away. If I click off my clip, you can see our corners have been rounded. What's fantastic is then we can add a clip underneath. I'm going to go ahead and drag my clip onto the first layer and subsequently my other clips on top of it. And you can see, let me just take off this feather. You can see our background is playing and our clip is on top of our background with those rounded corners. That's how simple it is. Couldn't be easier on CapCut. I hope you found this informative and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for coming, guys. Bye.